Good morning, students. You are watching the video of Edstar Class 2. Today, our subject is English Grammar. Topic Adjectives. Children, last two videos we have learnt about adjectives. Today, we are going to write grammar book exercise for adjectives. Before that, I am going to recall it. Children, answer me, what is adjective? Adjective is a describing word. It describes noun. It gives more information about noun. That means extra information about noun. Adjective tell us about color, size, shape and number. Children, now I'm going to say some adjective words for you. Long, short, big, small, tiny, little, tall, huge, thin, thick and large. These are adjectives of size. All the colors are adjectives. Square, oval, wide, curve, straight, round, narrow and flat. These are adjectives of shape. All the numbers are adjectives. Cold, hot, dirty, clean, old, soft, hard, quiet, bright, sad, dull, heavy, light, beautiful, naughty, colorful, happy, young and strong. These are some adjective words. Children, once again I repeat it. Adjective is a describing word. It describes noun. Okay children, now we are going to write book exercise for adjectives. Everyone take your English grammar book. Today we are going to write book exercise for chapter 8 adjectives. Children, take your pencil and eraser. Whenever you are going to write book exercise or classwork note, you have to write with pencil only. Cuties, sharp your pencil. Now take page number 29. Exercise A. Underline the describing word. First one, an old man. Children, here old is a describing word. It describes about man. Man is a noun. So here old is a describing word. You have to underline old. Second one, a loving mother. Tell me children, here which one is a noun? Very good. Mother. Mother is a noun. Which one is describing word? Yes, loving. Loving is a describing word. It describes about mother. So, you have to underline loving. Children, in the same way, you have to complete remaining exercises. Children, take next page, page number 30. Seventh one, a naughty boy. Children, here boy is a noun. Answer me, which one is describing word? Very good. Naughty. Naughty is a describing word. It describes boy. So, you have to underline naughty. In the same way, you have to complete remaining exercise cuties. Next, come to the second exercise. Exercise B. Use suitable adjectives to describe these pictures. See the first one. Dash sun. Here, sun is a noun. Which adjective we can use here? Children, see the picture. Here, sun looks very bright, isn't it? So, here we have to use bright. Bright is a describing word. It describes the sun. Children, you have to write bright in the dash. Second one, dash peppered. Here, peppered is a noun. Children, see the image. How the puppet looks. It's very angry, isn't it? Here we have to use angry. Angry is a describing word. It describes about puppet. So, children, write angry in the dash. In the same way, you have to complete the remaining exercise cuties. Next, take next page, page number 31. Here, see the seventh one cuties, dash morning. Here, morning is a noun. We have to use the describing word pleasant. Pleasant is a describing word. It describes about morning. Cuties, pleasant means enjoyable or likable. குட்டீஸ் ப்ளசண்ட் அப்படின்னா அது நமக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். குட்டீஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் ப்ளசண்ட் இன் த டேஷ். ரிமைனிங் எக்ஸசைஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ யோர் ஓன். குட்டீஸ் டேக் நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜ், பேஜ் நம்பர் 32. Exercise C. Underline the describing word. Circle the nouns they describe. Kutis, now I'm going to read this paragraph. Listen carefully. Shivani is a small girl. She lives with her old grandmother. They live in a big house. The house has 5 rooms. They have a white dog and a black cat. The pets like to play on the green grass. Grandma sits on the round sofa. Shivani brings warm milk for the animals. Kutis, in this paragraph, you have to underline the describing word. That means underline the adjective. And you have to circle the noun the adjective describes. See the first sentence. Shivani is a small girl. Children, in this sentence, Shivani and girl both are nouns. Now, answer me here. Which one is adjective? Very good. Small. Small is an adjective. So, you have to underline small. Already I told you in this sentence, 2 nouns are here. Shivani and girl. But the adjective small describes about girl. So, children, you have to circle girl. Okay. Come to the next sentence. She lives with her old grandmother. Tell me, children, here which one is an adjective? Very good. Old. Old is an adjective. So, you have to underline old. Here, the adjective old describes about the noun grandmother. Children, you have to circle the grandmother. Kutis, in the same way, you have to complete remaining paragraph. Next one, exercise D. Fill in the blanks with adjectives that are opposite in meaning to the adjectives in color. First question is, water is cold, tea is dash. Kutis, in the first sentence, cold is an adjective. You have to write opposite of cold in the dash. Children, already you know what is meant by cold. Cold means low in temperature. Cold அப்படினா குளிர்னு அர்த்தம். Now, tell me children, what is the opposite word of cold? Very good. Hot. Hot is the opposite of cold. Now, you have to write hot in the dash. Second question. Swati is thin. Veena is dash. Children, in the first sentence, Swati is a noun and thin is an adjective. It is describing word. Now you have to write opposite of thin in the dash. Kutties, do you know what is meant by thin? Thin means slim. Slim அப்படின்னா ஒல்லியா இருக்காங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். Opposite of thin is thick. Kutties, you have to write thick in the dash. Remaining exercise, you have to do your own. Next one, exercise E, no need to do now. We have to do this during the classes after school reopens. Kutties, I hope you have completed all the exercise in the chapter 8. Children, are you ready to check the answers for these exercises? Page number 29. This is the answer for exercise A. Underline the describing words. Take next page, page number 30. This is the answer for exercise A. Remaining questions. This is the answer for exercise B. Use the suitable adjectives to describe these pictures. Next, take page number 31. This is the answer for the exercise B. Remaining questions. குட்டீஸ், எக்ஸசைஸ் பிக்கு மேம் எழுதியிருக்கிறது மட்டும்தான் ஆன்சர்னு கிடையாது. இது தவிர வேறு கரெக்டான அட்ஜெக்டிவ் வேர்ட் நீ எழுதியிருந்தாலும் அதுவும் கரெக்டு தான். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட், டேக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 32. This is the answer for exercise C. Underline the describing words and circle the nouns they describe. This is the answer for exercise D. Fill in the blanks with adjectives that are opposite in meaning to the adjectives in color. Check these answers, kutties. Kutties, I hope you are clear about adjectives. Parents, உங்களோட வார்ட் இந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் எல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறமா பேஜ் நம்பர் 29, 30, 31, 32 இந்த பேஜ் எல்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்னாப் எடுத்து அந்த ஃபோட்டோஸ் எல்லாம் edustar.2@gmail.com அப்படிங்கிற மெயில் ஐடிக்கு நீங்கள் சென்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. நாங்கள் புக் எக்ஸசைஸை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்குவோம். Thank you, parents and my dear kutties. See you in the next video. Bye.